everyone, today I'm going to be reviewing these insoles by Edison. After a 7-month break from work due to ill health, I bought myself a new pair of work trainers before I returned. I found that after only a few short hours, I was experiencing quite a lot of pain in my feet. After around 6 hours, I was experiencing agonising pain shooting up my legs, across my shoulders and up my back. At first, I figured it must be because I bought crap trainers. So I tried using memory foam insoles. I used to use memory foam insoles in the past, but these ones were no good whatsoever, and they went flat after 1 or 2 uses. So I bought myself another pair of trainers, and this time I bought a pair of memory foam Skechers. I've never had a problem with Skechers in the past, and I find them to be really comfortable. On the second day of wearing these, I realised that I was experiencing the same pain after the same length of time. That's when I realised there was another problem. I was already aware that I have a high arch, and it has prevented me from wearing different types of shoes in the past. However, I've never had any problems wearing trainers before. Due to the amount of pain I was experiencing, I figured that it must have something to do with that. I thought that I would try these Orthotic Insoles. Originally, I wanted to buy the school ones, but they were $17.99 and these ones were only $6.99. Considering I wasn't sure if that was the problem, I thought that I would go for the cheaper option. I ordered them on Amazon Prime and they were delivered the next day in a ridiculously huge box. As you can see, they literally could have put this in an envelope and posted it, and it was a total waste of packaging, but at least it arrived in one piece. So these insoles are to provide arch support and correct irregular walking patterns and provide pain relief. I ordered these in a size small, which covers foot size 4.5 to 6. I later realised that I should have ordered the extra small, which covers foot size 3 to 4. However, it does recommend that you cut these slightly bigger than your shoe size, so I think that ordering these in one size up is a better idea. As you can see, these insoles are very sturdy and well made. The top red part of the insole is very velvety to the touch. When I first got these, I was very concerned that they wouldn't be comfortable because I was putting a hard insole on top of a memory foam insole inside the trainer. As I move these around, you'll notice that they're shaped to support the arch of the foot. If you're someone who has an extremely high arch, these may not be right for you. It seems to be just the right height to support my feet. I then placed the trainer on top of the insole to take a measurement and cut it to the correct size. Here you can faintly see some guidelines to make sure that you cut the insole into the correct shape. Once I cut both insoles to size, they fit perfectly inside my trainer. The first day I wore these, I felt as if I had something stuck in my trainer, and I noticed that I was walking funny. Of course, this was only because I wasn't used to having the arch support inside my shoe. After that, I done a 9-hour shift at work and I noticed that the extreme pain had gone. Obviously, I was still experiencing the regular pain that you get just from being on your feet for 9 hours. But that pain was definitely bearable. Like I said, if you have an extremely high arch, these may not be perfect for you. However, if you feel you're suffering from extreme pain from being on your feet for just a few hours, I would definitely recommend trying these. It will take a few days to get used to having arch support inside your shoe, but it'll be worth it in the end. If you would like to order these from Amazon for $6.99, I'll leave the link in the description box below. Let me know in the comments section if you've tried these insoles or anything like them. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you're new here, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching. Bye!